Everybody, welcome back. I'm here today with a sticker haul from a couple companies. This first company is from Clippy Chick Creations, and the owner is Karen, and this is the card that it came with, and this cute little pig clip. So that was adorable. I ordered these spooky glitter palms. It was a set of 2 and on black paper clips. Thought that would be perfect for my Halloween TN, so. And then I could still use this for fall. Very cute. And maybe Black Friday. And then this beautiful flag bow. I think she just gave this to me free on the black clip. Love that. Sparkle sequin glitter bows. And I got the silver on silver. Those cute. They're perfect little sizes. Red and gold. So I'm trying to get ready for Christmas. And I figured the gold could go for fall as well. So pretty. And then I ordered the football clip. Because you guys know me, I love my football. That's awesome. And then I ordered, I'm so excited about this because I collect these. I ordered the snowman felt clip on white. Look at him. Is he not cute? And he's like dimensional. See? Oh, I cannot wait to use him. I'll probably use him on every single one of my spreads. It's adorable. And then I got the 3 snowball palms. And I love those. I think those are gorgeous. That's not beautiful. So that's what I got from Clippy Chick's Creations. You have to go check her out, and I will have her links down below. I'm going to put this one to the side. And then this one's from DEK Design. And I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see. So it says, "Hello, gorgeous," and it has a spider flag paper or clip. So I will definitely be using that pretty soon. Let me see if I can put that right there. Have it holding up. Okay, let's see what I got here. Okay, so I got the Chick Holiday Weekly Sticker Kit set. And then if you spent $15 or more, then you got a 5-page sheet gold foil set. So I cannot wait to show you that. This was their freebie. They are very generous. Look at that. Love it. And I use these all the time. So cool. This is the gold. This is a freebie as well. This is payday cleaning, post office, binge watch, bubble bath, delivery, planning, sleep in, coffee break, wash hair, birthday, bubble bath, shopping, cheat day, laundry, and sick day. I love this. Definitely will be using all those. Here is the planner peg cleaning functionals in the gold. Isn't that cute? Look how sweet that is. Love, 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 love. She's adorable anyway. Okay, so let me show you the kit I ordered first. I love their kits. Okay, this is the kit that I ordered, and it's called Chick Holiday. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Look. And I love the purple. There are your full boxes, and this is a double box, of course, with your bow check flags. Your half boxes, and I love that they have bows in them, in some, and then decorations in others. Your appointment boxes, your habit trackers, more check flag bows. Your full check flag boxes with more check flag bows. Look at that weekend banner. Ooh, I love it. And then you got 4 of the check flags that you can put up in the corner. Your headers, also in foil. And then your bottom washies in small washies. And it says Happy Holidays all the way across. That is beautiful. Cannot wait to use that. And then your headers, which are all done in foils as well. and then your meal plan, extra quarter boxes, and TV boxes. And then your glitter headers, your icons, and your scripts that says me time, bill due, right now, busy day, happy day, plan this, remember this, date night, love this. Then trash, coffee, manicure, pedicure, groceries. So cute. Very, very cute. And that is that kit. That is called, again, Chick Holiday. You got to go check this out. This is, oh, wow. Pretty, 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 pretty. And this is the kit that I got for free. I cannot believe this. So if you spend $15 or more, you get this free kit. And of course, this is Home Alone. So here are your full boxes. And it is done in the gold. And it says, Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Sorry, I had to do that. Double boxes, quarter boxes, flags. I love this. I love it. Then you got your half boxes, your appointment boxes, habit trackers, and check flags. Oh, I love this. I love this. How they have the, she has the different colors in their ombre down. These are your full bow check boxes and your flags. There is your beautiful Hello Weekend and your flags up at the top with your day covers and your bottom washi and small strip washi. So gorgeous. She does a very beautiful job. Or they do a very beautiful job. I'm not sure. I don't PR for them, so I'm not sure. And then your glitter washi, or your foiled glitter washi as well. Look at that. I don't know if I'm catching it. But there's foil on the glitter washi. Same scripts and functionals. And that is Home Alone. So that is from DEK Designs or Plan2BeFab. So you got to check that out. Both of these companies, Clippy Chicks Creations, and then DEK Designs, or it's Plan2BeFab as well on Etsy. So check them out. Tell them I sent you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to see you come back here soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.